Okay, let's take a look at the keyboard. I told you before that I have an X on middle C. Okay, now your piano or keyboard at home probably does not have that X there. So if that X were not there, how could we, out of all these keys on the keyboard, how could we always know that that's middle C? How could we find middle C on the keyboard? I'd like you to take a look at the whole keyboard and ask you, do you see a pattern? Do you see any pattern on the keyboard that might help you to find middle C? Do you notice, well, of course I know you notice that there are black keys and there are white keys, but do you notice that there is not a black key between every white one? There's skips sometimes, okay? So it creates a pattern of 2 blacks, 3 blacks, 2, 3, 2, 3. The entire keyboard has that pattern. And I also would like you to notice that the X is right here, remember that word, below 2 blacks. But there's a lot of places with 2 blacks. Out of all those 2 blacks, how would we know on the keyboard which one is middle C? Well, what do you think? It's in the middle. Just like middle C is here in the very middle of the musical staff, middle C on the keyboard is just about in the middle. It's not as exact as this is, but even if you have a smaller keyboard at home, it will pretty much be the 2 blacks that are nearest the middle of the keyboard, the white key that's just below the 2 blacks there near the middle of the keyboard, that will be middle C. And I'd like you to get used to finding that on your keyboard at home. It's your home base, okay? We're gonna pretty much find the other ones compared to middle C, and I'd like you to remember where that is. Well, then the easy thing is that all the white keys that are just below 2 blacks are also C. So every white key that's just below 2 blacks is a C. Do you think that this C sounds exactly like middle C? It sounds like it, but of course lower, because remember this side going this way is going lower. This C up here sounds like middle C too, but higher.